All right, the drink we're about to make is called Southern Special. Let's go ahead and take a glass and fill it up with ice. And we're going to measure out 1.5 ounces of Southern Comfort. There's one, and there's a half. And we're going to follow that up with some good old ginger ale. Here's our ginger ale. We'll pour that in there. And let's get our spoon and go ahead and mix it up. Now, if you'd like, you can use either the 80 proof Southern Comfort or the 100 proof. Now, obviously, one's going to be a lot stronger than the other. I guess you could say one will be more special than the other. And that's a peach flavored bourbon. So you probably won't be able to taste a whole lot of peach in there, but you're going to taste a whole lot of goodness. Let's go ahead and garnish it with a lime. There we go. And add a straw. And bottoms up.